owito ngimagi kama moko ariyo yudo hinyruok bang' od orofa moro ruombore piny e kar dak ma Kibera, Soweto, boma ma Nairobi kaendi. Kaluwore kod obila, moko kuom jogo mowito ngimagi oting'o rowere mane choko chumbe mag scrap e odno ma yande osemuki. E kinde lwar mar odno, ji ma yande odak e iye nosedar mar chiwo thuolo ne gedo mar ute mag sirikal ma nengogi oyweyo mong'ere kaka affordable housing, ka moko kuom jogo mowito ngimagi ne gin ji mane muko odno kod ng'at mane kalo. Nyathi ma jahigni 12 bende noyudo hinyruok e kinde ma jogo manoyudo hinyruok ochwale kar thieth ma Kenyatta ka ringre to chwale kar kano ringre ma City. Obila oyango ni chenro mar menyo to pod dhi nyime seche mowuene.
Pita tu yeye hakuwa kwa shughuli, yeye alikuwa anapita.
Lakini sasa kitu ile tukasirisha kabisa ni ati rescue team wenye wameletwa wanaleta zimamoto, unaona? Na ni nyumba imeanguka, unaona? Hiyo hadi it makes sense.
So it is unfortunate. From the incident we lost 3 people and 2 were injured. All were men. We only had one of the injuries was a minor aged around 12 years who broke his leg and arm. People who came to scavenge for wood and timber or poles from the lower floor. That is the ground floor. So it is unfortunate as they went on, there was no coordination because those scavengers, of course, they were not part of the work. So they ended up weakening the whole structure and the upper slab collapsed on them.
Government evacuate watu kwa hii space kwa ajili kuna emergency, ina evacuate kwa ajili kuna project development inafaa kufanyika. Na hii development being that ni mass eviction, wanaweza peana 90 days watu wahame in a better way. But see 21 kama sasa tumeambiwa by 23rd tunafaa kuhama. See just in 2 weeks watu wahame. So hiyo ndio ina create pressure, inafanya insecurities, watu wanaibiana hapa hivi. Tafadhali kama mnaweza tu allow, tushakubali kuhama but ikuwe ni step by step, watu watoke mdogo mdogo.